Think a pinch of baking soda is just for cookies? Think again. Seniors across the globe are discovering a centuries-old secret hiding in their kitchen cabinet, one that could quietly transform their health, especially while they sleep. Everyday ingredients can hold extraordinary power, and baking soda is leading the charge. For seniors looking to boost their energy, ease digestion, or even improve sleep, sipping baking soda water before bed might just be the simplest game changer they've never considered. But what really happens when you start this nightly ritual? The answer lies in a surprising blend of science and old-fashioned wisdom. Nutritional profile of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, is a white, crystalline powder that is slightly alkaline in nature. While it's not a nutrient-dense substance like fruits or vegetables, its impact on the body is more chemical than nutritional. The unique value of baking soda lies in its alkalizing effect, its sodium content, and its ability to influence pH balance in the body. A single teaspoon, about 4.6 grams, of baking soda contains sodium, 1,259 milligrams, calories, 0, fat, carbohydrates, protein, 0 grams. The key mineral here is sodium, which plays a crucial role in fluid balance, nerve transmission, and muscle function. However, for seniors, too much sodium can raise concerns about blood pressure, so moderation is essential. While sodium gets a bad reputation, it's actually a vital electrolyte. Seniors often suffer from electrolyte imbalances due to medications or chronic illnesses. In very small doses, baking soda water can support hydration and prevent dangerous drops in sodium levels. Health impacts of baking soda water: relieves acid reflux and indigestion. Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, becomes increasingly common with age. Seniors often experience a weakening of the lower esophageal sphincter, which allows stomach acid to flow back up into the esophagus, causing burning sensations and discomfort. This can interfere with sleep and overall quality of life. Drinking a glass of baking soda water at night can be a simple, natural remedy to alleviate this condition. The alkaline properties of baking soda work by neutralizing stomach acid, providing fast relief from the burning sensation of heartburn. Baking soda reacts with hydrochloric acid in the stomach to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. This chemical reaction quickly lowers the acidity of the stomach contents. By doing so, it reduces the amount of acid that can back up into the esophagus, preventing that painful burning sensation. Supports kidney function. As we age, the kidneys naturally decline in their ability to filter waste and maintain electrolyte balance. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, affects nearly 1 in 7 adults in the United States, and seniors are at particularly high risk. What's surprising is that one of the early interventions for slowing kidney damage may be baking soda. Several studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate can delay the progression of kidney disease by reducing acidity in the blood. In individuals with impaired kidney function, the body struggles to eliminate excess acid. This leads to a condition called metabolic acidosis, which can damage organs and bones over time. Drinking baking soda water helps to neutralize this acid, creating a more stable internal environment. This can reduce the burden on the kidneys and improve their ability to filter waste products effectively. Some research even suggests that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can reduce the rate of kidney function decline by up to 36%. Lowers inflammation and uric acid. Inflammation is at the core of most chronic diseases, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even Alzheimer's. As we age, our bodies naturally produce more inflammatory markers, which can result in joint pain, fatigue, and stiffness. One of the lesser-known benefits of baking soda water is its ability to reduce systemic inflammation, particularly by lowering uric acid levels and modulating the immune response. Studies from institutions like the Medical College of Georgia have shown that consuming baking soda activates a mesothelial cell response in the spleen, promoting an anti-inflammatory effect. This response encourages the body to maintain a balance between pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory immune cells. In other words, it helps the immune system stop overreacting, a key problem in many age-related diseases. for seniors suffering from gout, a painful form of arthritis caused by high uric acid, baking soda water can be especially helpful. Enhances respiratory function, breathing becomes more challenging with age. Seniors often experience diminished lung function due to aging, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or other respiratory conditions. One surprising benefit of baking soda water is its potential role in supporting better respiratory efficiency. This is largely due to its ability to regulate pH levels in the blood. When the body becomes too acidic, a state called acidosis, it can impair the ability of red blood cells to carry oxygen efficiently. By balancing blood pH, baking soda may help improve oxygen delivery to tissues, including the lungs. Additionally, bicarbonate plays a critical role in maintaining acid-base homeostasis in the body. When you breathe, carbon dioxide, CO2, is expelled, helping regulate blood pH. Improve sleep quality. As we age, sleep disturbances become more common. Seniors often suffer from insomnia, restless leg syndrome, or frequent nighttime urination. Surprisingly, drinking a small glass of baking soda water before bed may support deeper, more restorative sleep. This is primarily because of its calming effect on the nervous system, its ability to reduce muscle tension, and its impact on acid reflux, which often disrupts sleep. When the body is overly acidic, it may create a state of internal stress. This can overstimulate the nervous system and lead to difficulty falling or staying asleep. Baking soda, being alkaline, can help neutralize that internal stress, creating a more balanced internal environment that supports relaxation. Many people report feeling a general sense of calm after drinking baking soda water, especially if combined with warm water and taken slowly, like a bedtime tea. Another way baking soda improves sleep is by reducing nighttime acid reflux. Promotes heart health and blood pressure regulation. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death among seniors. While sodium is often viewed as a threat to heart health, the relationship is more nuanced. In small, controlled amounts, baking soda may support cardiovascular function by reducing systemic inflammation, improving oxygen delivery, and aiding in pH balance. These factors collectively contribute to lower cardiovascular strain. One of the indirect ways baking soda supports heart health is through its ability to reduce acidity and inflammation, both of which are risk factors for atherosclerosis, the hardening of arteries. When the body is in a more alkaline state, the blood vessels are less likely to constrict, and circulation improves. This leads to better oxygen delivery to the heart and other organs, potentially reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Supports oral health and freshens breath. Oral health is a major concern for seniors. Receding gums, tooth decay, dry mouth, and bad breath become more common with age, often due to medications, reduced saliva production, or poor pH balance in the mouth. Drinking baking soda water at night may help restore oral pH, prevent tooth decay, and freshen breath naturally. Its mild alkalinity can neutralize harmful acids in the mouth and reduce the growth of bacteria that cause bad breath and cavities. Helps manage blood sugar and metabolism. Managing blood sugar becomes a priority after age 50, especially with the rising prevalence of type 2 diabetes among seniors. While baking soda isn't a replacement for medication or diet, early research suggests it may play a supportive role in glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. This is tied to its anti-inflammatory effects, its influence on pH balance, and its potential to support kidney function in diabetics. When inflammation is reduced in the body, insulin receptors function more efficiently.